This particular project is a hospitality, it's a hotel in a downtown setting. They were having issues with the roof leaking into their penthouses. The options they had for this roof were a system like ours, which is restoring it, looking at the roof still as an asset. Even though it wasn't performing, there were still elements of the roof that were high quality and could be restored. And so that's always our approach. If we can save the roof and restore it, that's our job. The other option they had was tearing the roof off. Well, 22 stories in the air, that's pretty complex. It's tough to shut down streets. It's tough to shut down access to the hotel and still keep the business running. So with the White Hat system, we didn't have to do any of that. We didn't have to shut down any roadways. We only have to shut down units where we're working directly above them, but they're keeping 20 stories of the building still working all the time. All of our equipment comes up through a service elevator instead of a crane, much less disruptive to the building and to the property. What makes this building really unique and this project really unique is we're 22 stories in the air above a downtown setting, and that makes all the difference in the world. So we need to get access, we need to keep our team safe, and there's no compromising in that. So we have a multiple layered approach on safety. You'll see every person on this project is tied off with multiple tie-offs. So we have a full body harness with a D-ring in the back. That's your primary lifeline. We also have an attachment for a lanyard. All of this equipment is rated at 5,000 pounds plus tensile strength. So it definitely holds anyone, anywhere. We also have an orientation harness that's on each individual as well, and that gives them a chance to orient against the roof and to be able to work. So they've got an attachment here, a lifeline here, a lifeline on the back, and then also to protect the public and also as a secondary line of protection, we have a guardrail system across the whole parapet of the building. It also has netting to keep any equipment, any tools from leaving the roof. There's no chance that anything can fall to the ground and cause any kind of danger to anyone. Overall, when it comes to safety on any project, there's really three important parts. One is pre-planning. We think about safety way before the project starts. Step number two is actually training our teams on the equipment and the process and the strategy we have for safety. And then the third is the confidence in our team. We want to make sure everyone's trained and confident, they feel safe, they know they're safe, and they can focus on their work and know that they're protected. Watching a project like this come together is really rewarding. They needed to get their prime real estate, their VIP suites up and running, and they needed to be ready for some major events coming up. So we were able to find a solution, we were able to make a timeline, we were able to take care of all safety accommodations that we needed, make sure this roof system got together on time, performing well. 22 stories in the air, everything gets more complicated. The White Hat's able to simplify it. Give us a call, see if we can help you out. Anywhere around the country, we can take care of your building.